Instapage landing page, how to create high converting landing pages using Instapage. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I will show you how you can easily create a highly converting landing page to generate more leads and sell more products of yours. And we will be using the software called Instapage. Instapage is a service that lets you build landing pages for your online marketing and promotion campaigns with ease. It offers features such as A B testing, multiple campaign management, easy page building, and a lot more. So, without further ado, let's dive into our particular topic for today. First thing first, visit instapage.com, and this is the main homepage. And here you can have 14 days free trial. So you can start with a free trial and see if this software suits your needs. And here you can sign up with your Google account or simply fill out this form, your name, work email, and password. And answer this one question here. I'm increasing conversion for. I will just select my own business, but it's up to you guys. And I will just sign up with my Google account. This is much easier for me. And here you need to provide your company name, your role in the company, provide your company size, your industry type, and your monthly budget for your ads. Then just read their GDPR compliance summary and accept their terms of service and policy to proceed. But here, bank information requires. So before we create an account, let's first go back to the main homepage. And let's check first their pricing because here in Instapage, they required bank card information to sign up even for the 14 days free trial so that they can upgrade your plan automatically to paid plan to avoid interruption when you're using the software after your 14 days. But if you don't like the software, you can cancel the subscription before your 14 days over or before your 14 days free trial expires for you to avoid any charges. So here they have two different plans. The first one is the building plan for $199 per month if billed manually. But if you want to be billed monthly, then the price will be higher. It's going to be $299 per month, which is additional of $100 if you will be paying it monthly. But if you will be paying it annually, then you can save $100 per month, and that will be 1,200 for a year. For me, it's kind of too much for me to create a highly converting landing page because compared to other website builder where you can also create your own landing pages, like for example, the Wix.com, ConvertKit.com, GoogleSite.com, and many others, where you can use the software for free or you can also upgrade to paid plan, but their paid plan is more cheaper than Instapage. But here on Instapage, you can have unlimited domains, no conversion limit. Unlike the competition, Instapage will never penalize you for getting conversions. Also, Customer Success Manager, where your manager will give you one on one advice, guide you through advanced training, and ensure you have a VIP access to new features. This is beneficial for those people who are new in business and still wanted to grow more. And then design reviews, their expert team uses built in collaboration to suggest optimizations for any current landing page experience. And lastly, the sophisticated A B testing. So, everything you need to start building and optimizing post click experiences for higher conversions is here in your building plan. And their second plan is converting. This is the complete platform for increasing conversion and lowering CPC or cost per click and boosting ROAS or return of ads spend. Converting plan includes all features you have from the building plan, plus more advanced features. And the price will depend on what additional features you need, and you must contact their sales reps for the price and for the guidance. So these are the plans here that you need to pay if you want to use this software. And before we go any further, let's first discuss what is landing page and why is it important. The goal of a great landing page is to increase conversion rates in order to reach your marketing or business growth goals. A landing page can be your homepage or another page within your website, or it can be a standalone page created for a specific campaign, sales, or product, for example. Each page has its own purpose: to inform, to act as a gateway to the rest of the site, or any kind of other reasons you have. It is a kind of promotion or marketing tactics that you need to do for your business to grow online. So going to their services up here under landing pages, here you can see how this software can help you creating a highly converting landing page. They have the best user-friendly interface here, as well as Insta blocks and global blocks where you can save, reuse, and update globally. Also, they have 500 plus customizable layout that you can choose from by industry and use case, and also AMP plus Thor render engine, where you can get the fastest landing page load speed in the industry, which is really amazing. If you are ready to build your landing page with them but confused on how to start, you can always book a demo for them to give you a full guide on how you can start building your first landing page with them. So let's go here in their resources and let's try to check some of the landing page examples that they have here. So here they have plenty of sample landing pages that you can also try to apply or create in your own landing pages. And you can also check more information here on how this Instapage works and help you get high conversion. So here, one of their advantage against the competition or other website builder is that they have scientifically proven method on how you can get more conversions in your landing pages. And that's the reason why their pricing is kind of more expensive, because they have this lot of research to get this method successful. So if you're willing to try the software, you may go ahead and sign up and provide your billing information. And always remember, you only have 14 days free trial. So if you don't like the software, make sure you cancel your subscription 1 or 2 days before the free trial expires so that you can avoid any charges for the next month or worse for the whole year charge. So for me, this software is good if you can afford the monthly subscription because it can make your life more easier. But for small businesses who are not willing to spend more, I suggest to use other website builder for now, like Wix.com or ConvertKit.com instead. This software can also help you build a landing page. However, you will be the one to do the hard work for you to get more conversions, like promoting it to your other social media and others. Instapage is expensive, but it can make your work less hassle in getting high conversions for you to get more leads and more sale. And for that, you need to pay for it. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, just comment down below and thank you for watching.